Namaskar, Dr. Manoj Solanki, Hindu Janajagriti Samiti, Goa Coordinator. Today, that is 27th of December, at Vagator in Goa, there was death of two youths at the Sunburn Classic Electronic Dance Music Festival. We suspect that the drug overdosage must be the cause of death of these two youths. This incident has maligned Goa's image at the national and international level and defamed this Parshuram Bhumi. The Hindu Janajagriti Samiti met the Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant today and gave a representation asking for a ban on this festival and a thorough inquiry into the death of these two youths. In the past, in such festivals, there has been deaths like two girls have lost their life, and today, that is yesterday, two more lives were lost. How much time are we going to wait until we stop such festivals which is taking the lives of the youth of this country? The Samiti has always been opposing these festivals in the past through representations, press conferences and demonstrations. This year also we have opposed this festival and asked for a ban on this festival. In spite of our opposition, the festival is being conducted. The Chief Minister of Goa has assured that he will take strict action against those found guilty. We are awaiting the report of this inquiry. In case we are not satisfied with the report or the inquiry is not impartial, then we will file a petition in the court.